15 Amazing Amazon Facts. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It's so big that the United Kingdom and Ireland would fit into it 17 times. The 9 nations that have the Amazon rainforest in their borders are Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname and French Guiana. Around the north of the rainforest is the Amazon River, a network of many hundreds of waterways that stretches 6,840 kilometers. Most scientists agree that the Amazon is the world's second longest river, after the River Nile. In 2007, Martin Stroll swam the entire length of the Amazon River. To complete his splashing jungle journey, Martin traveled through the water for up to 10 hours a day for 66 days. Around 400 to 500 tribes call the Amazon rainforest home. It's believed that about 50 of these tribes have never had contact with the outside world. The Amazon has an incredibly rich ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals and a whopping 2.5 million different insects. The Amazon is home hosting fascinating and deadly creatures, including electric eels, flesh-eating piranhas, poison dart frogs, jaguars and some seriously venomous snakes. One fascinating fish found in the Amazon is the pirarucu. A menacing meat eater, the pirarucu guzzles up other fish and can grow to nearly 3 meters long. It has teeth on the roof of its mouth and on its tongue. This area of immense natural beauty plays an important role in limiting climate change. This is because the rich vegetation takes carbon dioxide out of the air and releases oxygen. Due to the thickness of the canopy, the top branches and leaves of the trees, the Amazon floor is in permanent darkness. In fact, it's so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground. The Amazon rainforest accounts for more than half of the entire world remaining rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to 10% of the known species in the world. There are approximately 3,000 fruits that grow in the rainforest that are edible. The toucan is the loudest creature in the Amazon.